as you continued your day, you looked around, and 5 kept looking at you, and when you looked back at him, he would look away. You started feeling something near your heart. It was a painful feeling. You went somewhere private and looked at it, and it was a mark of a heart and an axe, and you had a feeling something was going on, so you walked back to the others and didn't say anything about it. And when you drew a heart, you decided to take your fingers and draw a heart on your heart. 5 started falling in love with you, and everyone didn't notice until 5 started being a bit touchy to you. This is 5. um, um, Hey, you smiled, you finally knew it, you had powers, and you, I'll voice you for this part, I have to try, I'm sorry. Hi. Yeah. And you looked at him nervously. You sat there and sighed. And he walked towards you and put his hand on your cheek, and you drew an axe on your heart, and he stopped, and this is 5. What am I doing? What the hell? He backs up from you and walks away. You smiled, and now knowing you had a power. You looked at him with a devious smirk, and you realized you could do a lot of things, but little did you know, once you fell in love with somebody, that power wouldn't work on them. It's been a few days now, and it was starting to fall for 5. And 5, you didn't really notice. He just kind of thought you were a normal-ish person, and you looked at him. You looked at him. As soon as he looked at you, you looked away. You got very nervous of him. You sat there and you started. You walked to a tree near a park and sat under it, and you fell asleep there. You got woken up by the sound of close walking towards you. Hey, listener, what are you doing? You jitter awake and look at him. I'll voice you because I don't know how to say it. I'm just taking a rest under this tree. Why? Is it because we were all just wondering where you were. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. So, are you gonna come back, Allison, and then wondering if you're gonna come back soon? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. And sorry, I heard my sister coming. Give me one. Another portal opened up. Your sister came in / me, and you fell through the portal. Oh my god, where am I? Oh my god, where am I? And you're like, oh my god, sis, what are you doing here? And this is Klaus. You know that girl? This is you. Yeah, she's my sister. Who else would she be? I don't know. Your friend? Your best friend? I don't know. I run over to you and say, oh my god, where are we? Where are we? And you're like, we're in Umbrella Academy. Oh, we are? Yeah, we are. Okay. Close. Close. Nice to meet you. I'm C. Nice to meet you. And you're like just smiling and nodding and saying yeah. And close, like, should we just head back home? You're like nodding. I'm like, yeah, sure. And when we go back, and then the rest, Allison and them are like, who is she? I'll start with Allison thing. Klaus? Listener? Who is she? This is Diego. Yeah, I agree with Allison. Who is she? This is Luther. I think we all agree. I don't think none of us know who that is. This is me. The listener knows who I am. This is 5 Wow It Talk. This is 5 Wow It Talks. Surprising. This is, I'll voice you for this, cause yeah. This is my sister, Missy. Oh, this is Allison. Hi, C. Hi. What's your guys' names? I already knew their names, but like I didn't want to tell them that. Allison. My name's Allison. This is Luther. My name's Luther. This is Diego. My name's Diego. My name's Diego. This is 5. My name's 5. This is 5. My name's 5. This is Klaus. Yeah, my name's Klaus. Like, yeah, and you sat there inside, and I look at you. Listener, you want to explain? Do you know how we got here? And you're like, no, I don't. Like, are you sure? She's like, yeah, I'm sure. Okay. Okay. A few days later, me and Allison have gone really good friends. I'm talking to her. I'm like, Allison, this is me. Hey, Allison, I bet you 5 and listener will end up together. This Allison. Oh my god, yes, they probably will. Oh my god, yeah, they probably will. So we'll see. The way 5 looks at her, we both know. Yeah, of course. Well, yeah. Allison's like, so, see, I'm like, yeah, if you had to pick one of us to date, 5's off limits, because we both know he's gonna end up with listener. Who would you pick out of you, Diego, out of me, Diego, Luther, Klaus, and me? If I have no, this is me. This is me. I don't know. I mean, you, Luther, or Diego? Alcinia? Who? I do. I don't know. I don't know yet. Like, I'll tell you when I know. It's been a few days now, and we see 5 and the listener getting close, and I'm just in the corner giggling.
This is you. Shut up. See. And I continue laughing. Oh my god. Bye guys, this was part 2.